So back again with another video on how to install Google Tag Manager in Analytics, this time on Shopify. So sure you heard of Shopify, but if you don't know, it is an e-commerce platform for small to medium-sized businesses. It is very easy to use. So if we're going to install Google Tag Manager in Analytics the correct way, just want to run through how to do that. So I already created this account and property. Go to admin, and then what you're going to do is select install Google Tag Manager. Once you have this up right here, you see there's two snippets of code that you want to copy and paste. So just copy the header section, go to your site, edit code, and you want to go to the theme liquid. So I'm already here. I find the head right here. I want to do Control V, and that installs the first snippet of code that we need. Then for the second, we just copy the body, go back. Easiest way is to do Control F, body. It's in line 309. So you can install it right here, 313, and then save. So now let's go back to Tag Manager. Let's make sure it's installed on the site correctly. Test it out. It'll take a minute while it's thinking, and it's installed correctly. So first step done. Now let's install Google Analytics the correct way using Google Tag Manager. So I want to install a new tag. Let's say GA4 page views. Tag configuration. I use the Google tag. You can also use Google Analytics, but I use the Google tag because it's easier to set up, and you could use it on different platforms like Google Ads. It makes it much easier. So tag ID, you can either enter the measurement ID from Google Analytics, or you can do a workaround if you're going to use the measurement ID for other tags, which is recommended. So you go variable, click the plus button up here. I put in GA4 measurement ID. Variable configuration, and I want to do constant, and the value you're going to get from Google Analytics. So you go to data streams, copy the measurement ID, go back to Google Tag Manager, hit save, and now your measurement ID is installed. So now you're all set up with Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics installed on your Shopify site. So you're ready to measure any interactions on your site, add more tags as you see fit once you get rolling with paid ads, want to install Microsoft Clarity, so on and so forth. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it informative and useful.